All right, guys. So I'm having a problem with my shark vacuum. I've had this problem before. I made a YouTube video about it. But basically it's saying error number 2, check for an obstruction. So I'll show you guys what it's doing. So it starts up just fine. And it slows down. And it keeps going. And it stops.
Please check underneath the robot for an obstruction. Error number 2.
So this has happened to me before. It tends to happen every 3 to 6 months. And usually it means that you have basically a bunch of hair, usually either in kind of over in this side of the brush or on this side. So let me put this on my workbench and show you all how to fix it. All right, guys, so I got it on my workbench here. You're probably gonna want to put gloves on for this. So basically, you open up this part here, and this comes out, this roller brush. You can see all the hair that's caught up in this thing. So basically all you have to do is remove all this hair, and then the vacuum will work great. Sometimes you can, this part comes off here, people forget to take this off. And this little gold piece on the inside can pop in and out. You just put it back in if it pops out. But if you forget to take this off, you miss all the hair underneath here. So that's all I got for you guys. But I guarantee your vacuum will work significantly better after you do this. Sometimes the sensors can go bad, and that can also give you the error number 2. In that case, I don't know how to replace the sensors or if there's any videos on that. But you can call Shark up and see if they'll help you out. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you all next time.